In this video, we are going to see how we can add different transitions between the two video clips in Canva. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. As you can see, I have added two clips right here. One is this one is the other one. And if you see it in between, as soon as the first clip ends, it shows you this awesome transition, and then it starts with the second one. Also, this video starts with a transition as well. So how to do this? Let's see. First of all, we will select both of the clips where you want the transitions. I'll select this one and hold the control key and then select the second one. Once we do that, we will head over to animate. And from here, either we can choose this effect, this other effect, and also we have a lot of other ones as well. So these are some cool animations that you can add between your videos to give it a professional look. So as soon as you click on any single one of them, it will start showing this transition. You can set it on enter only, on exit, or both on enter and on exit. So for example, if I set it to both, what this will do is it will close with the animation as well. So let's say if I set it to pop, the first transition ends and the second one starts, and then when it is exiting, it also closes as a transition. Also, if you want to remove that transition, what you can do is just select both of the clips. Once you selected both of the clips, you click on animate, and right at the bottom you will see remove animation. But just remember that it will not allow you to remove from both of them. You need to select it one by one. And once you select a single clip, you will get this remove animation option. And same thing goes for the other video. You will get this remove animation, and then your videos are animation free. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.